Guys, today I'm teaching you how to use groups in Wix. Perfect if you want to build a community or connect members directly on your website in 2025. Start by opening your Wix dashboard and go to the Apps section. Search for and install the Wix Groups app if you have not already. Once installed, go to your editor and you'll see the new groups page automatically added to your site. Click on it to customize your group's layout, name, and description. To create a new group, click Add Group, then upload a cover photo, give it a title, and write a short intro about what the group is for. You can also adjust the privacy settings. Choose between public or private groups. Members can now join, post updates, share photos, and comment directly inside the group. You can manage members and control notifications from the Wix dashboard anytime. And that's how you use groups in Wix. Easy to set up, great for engagement, and perfect for your 2025 community site.